Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what's in the box for the IC PAL Coffee Digital Handheld Pocket Coffee Refractometer by Atago. This refractometer is designed to determine the subtle difference in the concentration of coffee and espresso. Stable readings are possible, even with high temperature fresh brew due to the continuous measurement feature. In the box is some paperwork, including information about the data transmission function. If you would like any more information about this cool feature, there's a video link in the description. There's an instruction manual, calibration report, and an information booklet on the PAL-Coffee series. And the IC PAL refractometer. With the sample stage on top, crisp LCD display, simple to use 2-button design, and the battery compartment on the bottom. A clear IP65 rated cover protects all of this. To get started, all you need to do is twist open the battery compartment, remove the battery tab and replace the battery cover. Turn the device on and you're good to go. If you would like to see how to measure coffee on the IC PAL Coffee, see the video link in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.